welcome to PastorKims Corner. And today I'm so excited that I'm making keto cheese crisp. Okay, so I've sprayed my pan with olive oil, so that's why it looks a little brown. But the idea is to take shredded cheese and make it into a circular, make it look like a circle, turn it into a circle, and then just let it cook. And you see here, that's what I'm doing. And you can use it for bread or for a snack. So I'm giving you raw footage. I'm not making it pretty. I want to know what's going on because I want to be able to try it and see. You could use it, again, put a burger in between the two, like instead of putting the cheese directly on top of your burger. After you make this, then you could make two of these and put the burger inside. I may try that, I don't know. But let's just see what happens and how it comes out.
Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind. And it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. When you love now and forever, for my hurt you are the cure. Like a spring you keep me healthy, with a substance that is pure. And I said, darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, in your arms I feel secure. Darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you, oh yeah. You know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. Know I miss you. And I said, darling, oh darling, you are all I want for sure. All I want for sure. Darling, in your arms I feel secure. I feel secure. Darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, you give me everything and more. I said, darling.
So I made a few of these, and as you can see, I used olive oil spray, and you really shouldn't cook with olive oil spray too much because it burns easily, especially when cooking something like this. I probably could use butter or whatever, but I just made a few more, and you'll see how they came out.
What it took to making you like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze and a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind. And it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. When you love
Okay, guys, so here's the finished product of my first batch. And as you can see, they're light, they're airy looking. Um, they're crispy, especially around the ends. They're a little greasy, so make sure if you try it, you put it on paper towels. Sorry for trying to hold the camera and video at the same time. Now the big ones, I made a couple of big ones. Right now they're very, very flexible, like bendable. Like you could, like I said, use this as the top of a bun, so to speak. But they do have a crisp, especially around the edges. And when I tasted it, it was pretty good. I actually liked them a lot. And so yeah, they were pretty good. Okay guys, today I fried them. Come back tomorrow and see what happened when I baked them. Alright, have a blessed day.